Switching from Simple Mobile to Verizon while keeping your number is called porting, and it's easier than you think. First, make sure your Simple Mobile account is active and in good standing, with no outstanding balance over $50. Next, back up your contacts and data to ensure nothing is lost during the transfer. Then, contact Verizon through their app, website, or in-store to start the port-in process. You'll need your Simple Mobile account number, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number associated with the account, and your PIN. Verizon will provide a temporary number while the transfer is in progress, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but can be as fast as 2 to 4 hours due to Verizon's updated digital tools. Be aware that Verizon might perform a network compatibility check due to Simple Mobile operating on T-Mobile's network. This could add 1 to 2 days if any SIM card differences arise. Once the porting is complete, insert your new Verizon SIM card, either physical or eSIM. But what can go wrong? SIM incompatibility between T-Mobile and Verizon networks is a potential issue, so keep an eye out for any service interruptions. Also, beware of port-out scams where fraudsters try to steal your information. To prevent delays, ensure your Simple Mobile account is paid in full and the information you provide Verizon is accurate. According to recent data, the success rate for porting is high at over 95%. You should not be charged any fees to port your number. If you experience issues, contact Verizon support for assistance. Remember, digitization is making this process faster, and you can do this mostly online for a faster process.